How's it going? I'm just admiring the Belwood Skies. Welcome to the Nature Center. Nature. From sunrise to sunset, from cloudy to clear days, you don't really realize how awesome the Belwood Skies are without stopping to take a good look. Look at those beautiful, fluffy white clouds. Our skies here are so beautiful that sometimes all you want to do is just lie around and sit in the shade and just stare up at them. Amazing. Sometimes we see a plane fly by from the local pilot school. Like all skies everywhere, our skies can go from gorgeous and sunny to gray and rainy. Sometimes, if we're lucky, we get to see a bright, rare rainbow. Just in time for a gorgeous sunset. Out comes the beautiful starry night sky.